Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We are back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the Porodo projector. Now for further ado, let's get started. Whoa, as you can see guys, here we are having the bigger bad boy, a projector which is a portable projector which you can mount it and use it throughout your daily activity. Not only that, throughout traveling and even throughout you're going somewhere for holiday. This kind of bad boy, it's really worth it for family and enjoyment and many more. So enough of me talking about it. We're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside, and we're gonna explore throughout this kind of bad boy, and we're gonna play a game and enjoy that kind of game. I don't want to tell you or spoil anything. Just watch on the video and enjoy this kind of amazing unboxing of Porodo projector, which is portable. Yeah, here we have it. We're gonna just unbox it right now and see what's packed inside, because I'm just so pumped and thrilled to see what's happening throughout Porodo and what they have. What's in here, ladies and gentlemen? We are having the projector, and what's next, we are having the cable for the power outlet, as you can see guys, which is really kind of great. Throughout this kind of cable of power outlet. Another kind of stuff which we are having the power supply, which uses the DC in port, which is somewhere here, as you can see guys, which is really cool. I'm gonna keep this on the side. And another kind of stuff, we are having the remote here, which is really good for navigation throughout your projector. A nice and great and amazing kind of great looking remote. And I'm gonna talk about this kind of remote, the downside, which I think they did, and they're gonna perhaps rectify on upcoming product. So it's really kind of cool. The kind of stuff what's packed inside is the paperwork. As you can see, nice and smooth paperwork to guide you throughout using this kind of projector, and it's really kind of cool. Nothing else is left, as you can see. Nothing else is left, it's empty. So we're gonna get started throughout this kind of bad boy. So the moment which you have been waiting for, the moment which you wanted to unbox. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, this is our bad boy here. It's really kind of great and amazing kind of product from Porodo, and it's really looking dope. As you can see guys, we're having the lamp which gives you 3000 lumens of the lamp, which is really cool. And we are having the adjustable of this kind of autofocus, which you can adjust throughout the dimension if you go back and forward throughout your projector, which is really cool. And another kind of stuff, we're having the power button here on top. This is the power button, so you hold it for longer, then it's gonna be powering on. We won't power on right now yet. At the back, as you can see guys, it's really cool. We are having the DC in port, we are having the USB port, we are having the HDMI port, and we are having the aux port and some lightning indicator at the back, which they're really great. So as you can see, throughout this kind of projector, it's really looking good. And here throughout these kind of small holes, these are like ventilation and speakers here inside throughout this kind of bad boy, and it's really cool. I want to share with you guys a really good perspective to see what's happening. So let's just jump into the video and explore what's goody about the projector. As you can see guys, that's the menu of it, of the projector. Then I'm gonna decrease the light so as you can see what's going on. So this is the projector guys. I can just roll it at the back just like this to give it more space, and it can go up to 100-inch of screen. So you can see here the way I'm going back up to here, and you can even focus to give it more greatness throughout the projector. So we are ready and steady. As you can see how much vivid it looks like, it's really looking good, and we can navigate using the remote. So this is the remote. You cannot see it here because it's a little bit darker, but I hope you saw it on our demonstration. So this is how much it looks like on the menu. You can navigate through different menus, and you can see here throughout the screen there's application, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, there's other settings, there's bunch of settings through this kind of projector. As you can see guys, there we can go back here and check out about, and you can check out the version of Android which is using. It's using version Android 6.0, which is Marshmallow. And another kind of stuff, it's having a RAM of 1 GB and a storage of 8 GB on board. So it's really kind of great and amazing. Right now we're gonna just plug in the power directly to the projector to see how much it's gonna be increasing throughout the lamp of the projector. We're gonna plug it on the DC, and directly the lamp right now, its brightness. So guys, as you can see, it's really kind of awesome the way it captured, because I wanted to play this kind of bright video and you can see how much it picks. It's really cool, right? Really awesome. That's a speaker from JBL Flip 6. Dope. So guys, right now I'm gonna just plug in the HDMI cable to use throughout my my machine here. So guys, right now we're gonna select the source of the machine. It's gonna be the HDMI, and right now we're gonna use the HDMI throughout the projector. So as you can see, really cool, nice and smooth there on my machine. It's really rocking. So we're gonna adjust some focus on the projector so as we can have a smoothness throughout the projector. So I'm gonna play one movie throughout this kind of projector here, so as some of you guys can see what's going on. It's really cool. To be honest, it's a really kind of nice technology of Porodo, and it's a really kind of awesome to give you much better smoothness and enjoyment throughout watching a movie. So as you can see, it's really kind of vividly and brightly, and it gives you a greatness throughout watching your movie, and it's really kind of awesome. There we go. Muchacho, muchacho, muchacho. Adios, adios, amigo, adios. Who's that? Who's that? Ooh. A moment of silence. There we go. Whoa, so that's what's up guys about this kind of projector from Porodo. It's a really kind of great, amazing kind of projector. To be honest, you have seen how much we have played the game, you have seen how much it's been casted throughout the movie if you want to watch it, and another kind of stuff. Just make sure that you're having a great white wall and you have low lighting. I mean, the outside outdoor lighting supposed to be minimal, and yeah, it's really kind of great and amazing kind of projector out there to explore it. And it's a full HD. You can enjoy greatness throughout gaming. I've been experiencing throughout Forza Horizon 5, and it's really top notch, to be honest, throughout gaming experience from this kind of bad boy. Another kind of stuff, it has a built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Android system on it, and it's really kind of cool. The Android system gives it much better throughout environment and how much it looks like. Now, I think on the next projector, Porodo supposed to be looking throughout more throughout user interface and more throughout specification. I'm talking about having even this kind of projector 4 GB of RAM and a capacity of almost 32 GB of storage or 64, and giving it a good looking user interface. I'm not saying the looking of user interface is bad, but I think if they improve it, it will look much better. And another kind of stuff throughout this kind of projector, I wish they could give it much good speaker of sound. The speaker is quite not bad, but it's minimal. So if you want to connect your external speaker, let me say you're having a Sony speaker like this, so you want to connect it, you can use it via Bluetooth, and to be honest, it gives you great and amazing surround throughout using external speaker. It's my kind of like cons throughout this kind of projector, and I hope Porodo did a great job throughout improving the next projector, which they're gonna be announcing it. I don't know when, but I'll update you guys. But on this kind of projector, to be honest, it's a top notch. I really like it. Great work, Porodo, for this kind of amazing product throughout projector. It's really kind of good. Let's talk about the remote now. Now, I like the navigation of the remote. They're really good. You can navigation to go back, forward, volume, and stuff like that. But the only downside is to see recent apps which you have opened. I kind of find it like it's a knockoff, because if they could add it here, I'll give you a good example what I mean here. You can see here what I'm holding. On my left, I'm holding a Mi TV remote. Now this kind of Mi TV remote, I love it because it has everything steady and you can navigate throughout here and there, and you can even go to recent, and it's looking really good. Compared to the Porodo one, you can see, let's be honest, you can see the difference here. I understand the Porodo one, they try to minimize it and give it a much better, smaller looking remote, but I think that if they could cope with this one, it will give them much better result throughout user experience. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.